In this project spotlight, we are looking at the commercial roof replacement project at Kid City Academy in Franklin, Indiana. Kid City Academy is a well-known child care facility in the community, providing daycare, before and after school programs, and educational summer camps. The building had an asphalt shingle roof installed which was leaking in spots, even requiring tarping in some sections. Nails were found to have been installed too low on the shingle, along with other minor hail damage and missing shingle granules. Kid City Academy opted to upgrade the building to a premium standing seam metal roof installed by Cornett Roofing. Cornett Roofing removed the shingles down to the wood decking before installing premium ice and water shield on all the roof perimeter and valley areas. The rest of the roof was covered with a high-quality synthetic underlayment to prepare for the installation of the new metal roof. Each standing seam panel used in the project was rolled out on site from premium 24-gauge coiled steel to the exact length required. On this project, panels were produced that were over 40 feet long, resulting in a final roof with no seams or exposed fasteners. Compared with the existing shingle roof, the new roof will provide more than double the service life while enhancing the look of the building. As the crew installed the final standing seam panel, the now completed metal roofing system will provide decades of reliable service while never fading in color. Looking at the final completed roof with no seams or exposed fasteners to fail, the standing seam roofing system provides a clean, classic look that will require virtually no maintenance in the future. If you are looking for a long-lasting, new roof for your commercial or residential property, call the experts at Cornett Roofing to learn about a variety of permanent roofing options. These roofs protect your structure for decades to come while providing many other aesthetic and financial benefits. Call the experts at Cornett Roofing Systems today for your free roof estimate.